Hello all, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we will learn the VI and VIM editor. Okay, now let's see what is meant by VI and VIM. VI and VIM is the most popular editors in the command line editors in the Linux operating system. Okay, so whenever we dealing with the file in the Linux operating system, mostly we will use the VI or VIM editor in the Linux operating system. So some of the other editors also available. Those are the nano editor, gedit editor, but mostly we will use the vi editor in the Linux operating system. Because of that, we will today learn how to deal with the vi editor in the Linux environment. Okay, first we will understand what is meant by vi editor is nothing but the visual display editor. Display editor. Okay, vim is also the same, but it is an extended version. Visual display visual display editor. Okay, with extended version. Extended. Now for vi editor is used for creating the files, updating the files, and if you want to do some changes into the files, so these are all the activities we will do into the vi editor. So vi editor has the three modes. First, vi editor has the three modes. Okay, first one is the command mode. Second one is the insert mode. Third one is the extended mode. Okay, let's understand how these modes are look like. Okay, first of all, we will understand how to create the files in using the vi editor in the, for example, vi demo is my file. I'm creating the demo file. If demo file is not exist into the your current folder, it will create the file. If your demo folder is already exist, it will open for the edit your file. Okay, I'm not having the any demo file here. You can see, is there any demo file is present inside my current directory? No, right? So because of that, I will create the one demo folder, vi demo. You can give the any file name. For example, for creating the file, you can use the vi and file name here, any file name. Okay, so here you can see it is the new file. When it comes to new, means it is a new file. If it is already exist, it will not give as a new. So these are the tilde symbol. Tilde symbol means unused lines. If you are seeing any tilde symbol into the vi editor, this is nothing but the unused lines. Now if you want to insert some data, this is when you create the file, this is in the command mode. When you create a file and insert in open that file, it will be available into the command mode. If you want to insert some data, you have to go inside the insert mode. So for go to the insert mode, you have to use the I for go to the insert mode. Okay, I for insert mode. Okay, now when you press the enter, it will go inside the insert mode and it is showing here as a insert. Now you can enter the any data. This is demo file. Now you had enter some data into the file. You want to save and exit. For save and exit, you have to go to the extended mode. For go to the extended mode, you have to use the escape. For save and exit, you first press the escape, then colon, then you can use the WQ for write and quit. Okay, now we will see data is present inside my file or not. See, my whatever I have written into the my file, that data is displaying while displaying the data using the cat command. Okay, now here for insert we use the I. After insert the data, we use the WQ for save and exit. Okay, this is for save and exit. W for write. Q for quit. Okay, now I will go inside my file demo. I will insert some line now. This is second line, but I thought this is not correct. So I don't want to save this data into my file. I want to save exit the file without saving any data. If you want to exit without saving any data, you can use the escape colon q enter. It will not allow, means it will not quit the when you writing the data. So it is we have to be close this forcefully. So you can use the escape colon q exclamatory. So it will close your file without saving forcefully. If you want to say, exit with forcefully, you can use the q exclamatory. Quit forcefully. Okay, now you enter inside the file. You did some changes. For example, I will do some changes. Second line, and you want to save and exit forcefully. Press escape colon wq exclamatory. Exclamatory will help you to save and exit the forcefully. Now you can see it is exited the forcefully. Okay, wq exclamatory means save and exit forcefully. Okay, vi demo. Now for example, you are here at the first line of your file, and you want to the end of the line. You want to add some content at the end of your line. So you can use the shift A. When you press the shift A, it will go to the at the end of the line. Cursor will go to the at the end of the line. Shift plus A. Cursor move to end of line. Okay, now your cursor is the end of line and you want to the insert the data at the beginning of the line. You can use the escape and you can use the shift I. Shift I will take you to the beginning of the line. Shift plus I. It will take you to beginning of the line. Okay, if you want to data at the beginning, if you want to insert some data at the beginning of the line, it will take you to the beginning of the line. Now you are at the first line and you want to insert the data below the cursor line. For example, you can use the O for the below the cursor line. Now you are present at the first line, but you want to the enter the data at the second line. So you can press the O, small o. Small o will help you to, it will allow you to insert data below the line. Okay. Now, for example, you are at the second line and you want to insert the data at the above the line. So you can use the Shift O. Shift O will take you to Shift plus O. It will allow you to insert the data above the line, above the cursor line. Okay. For example, you are the here and you want to move cursor backward, forward, up and right. For example, you can use the H for left. Press escape. H for left. If you want to go to the left one character, you can use the H. If you want to go one character forward, you can use the L. And if you want to go up, you can use the K. If you want to go down, you can use the J. These keys will help you to move up, down, backward and forward. Okay. So now H for move backward one character. Okay. Then L for move one character forward. If you want to go up, you can use the K. K for up. And if you want to go down, you can use the J for down the line. Okay. These are some of the options. If you are not having the cursor, if you are not having the allow the arrow marks, in that situation you will use the H, L, K, J for moving your cursor forward, backward, up and down. Okay. Now I will copy this data into my file and I will show you some options. Paste the data here. So now we have the some data for play the V editor. Okay. If you want to set the line number into the V editor, you can use the S set nu. So it will set the line number into your file. Okay. Now I wanted to copy the first line and paste into the at the end. For copy, you can use the YY. And if you want to go to the end of the line, end of the file, you can use the Shift G. And I want to paste my copied line into the end of the file. For paste it, you can use the P. For example, here we understand now. For copy, we use the YY. Copy the line. For paste, you can use the P. Paste where your cursor. Okay. If you want to go at the end of the file, you can use the Shift plus G. Go to end of file. Okay. Now you are at the end of the line. Okay. If you want to go to the beginning of the line, save and exit. Okay. uh, Now we see the how to copy and paste into the file. Now I want to delete the some line. For example, I wanted to do this line. You can use the dd for delete the line. For delete the line, you can use the dd option. dd for delete the line. Okay. Now we had copying the one line and deleting the one line. But if I want to copy the multiple lines, for example, I want to copy the 5 lines from here, you can use the 5 yy. So here it is showing the 5 lines yanked means copied. And wherever you want to paste it, you can go there and you can press the p. For copy the number of line, you can use the number. For example, 5 yy. It will copy 5 lines. Okay. If you want to delete the lines also, same way you can use the, for example, 5dd. It will delete the number of lines. Now you are at your file and you want to search something into your file. You can use the slash, and whatever keyword you want to search, you can use that keyword. For example, I want to search the modes. So it is showing the modes. For example, I want to search the exit slash exit. So it is searching the keyword exit into the file. If you want to search any keyword into the file, you can use the slash that word. Okay. Now exit from the file. Now for save and exit, we use the W and Q, right? Another option is there for save and exit. Press escape colon X. X also will help you to save and exit. For save and exit, shift press escape colon X. This is also for save and exit. Okay. Now I'm exited from my file. Okay. For example, you have the 2 files and you want to open in the single command. For example, now I have the demo and also I have the test, right? Can we open with this? No, it is opening only demo. How we can open that file? In the single command. Okay. If we want to open both the files at the same time, you can use the -o option here. See, demo file and test file, both our files are displaying here. If you want to quit, you can. If you want to switch from one file to another file, you can use the Control W. You can see Control W. Okay. So these are some of the useful options in the VI editor. Please go and practice in your Linux environment. This will help you while working with the files, and it will help you to work quickly in the while handling the files in the configuration files in the servers. So thank you for listening these sessions. If you like my video, please press like and comment in the comment section. If you like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe my video. Thank you.